let me try to help you fix the issue with navbar not showing in the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G. So what we can do is we can go to settings. First, let's go to notifications and choose lock screen notifications and make sure that lock screen notifications are actually enabled. So right now, if I enable lock screen notifications, as you can see, I have navbar visible here, but it doesn't show the content of the navbar. As you can see here, I have a stopwatch that should be running. As you can see here, it is running. So if I show the content and if I go to the lock screen, now it is working properly. So you might want to go to show content and make sure that apps that are compatible with the navbar are actually enabled here. Besides that, there is also one more thing that we can do. We're gonna go back to the settings and we're gonna choose lock screen and AOD. Scroll all the way down to go to about lock screen. Now tap on this eye icon in the top right corner. And here we want to go to storage and we want to clear data and then press delete. And sometimes this also solves the issue with navbar not showing in the lock screen and also on AOD, because sometimes this also fixes the AOD issue as well. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.